Hello, collective. So, how's your day? I hope everything is okay. Alright, I'm so sorry. I just want to thank you to all person that who follow me in TikTok. I'm so overwhelmed and I'm just so glad. Okay, let me see your situation. Please tap me in your energy so I can help you and guide you, and we can know what your guides wants to tell you. Okay. Tarot Ace, please help me and the collective to tap into their energy. What is their situation as of now? You're kind of doing a lot or thinking a lot, or maybe you have a lot of option, as I can see. Though you've been, I think you've been thinking a lot which way to choose. Oh, you know what? I really never wanted to read a oracle card in upside down, but that one is really wanted uh, to be just like that. Okay, I'm so sorry. Okay, so you have a situation as well. Okay, you feel like as of now that time is running out. That overall energy. Before you feel lost in something situation, and as of now you are still in pause. You don't do anything because you're maybe looking for the right time. Okay, for something that is secretive. Okay, this could be a love affair. Okay. Okay, thank you. Your tarot angels telling me that your situation as of now is you wanted to okay, okay, thank you. You wanted to break up with someone, okay? But you are waiting for the right time. You don't feel lost as of now. I don't know why I feel that even you are in the situation which is probably you're in a long-term situation, but you are having an affair, or maybe you wanted to love someone else. That's what's really getting in this energy, okay? So you're not lost anymore, okay? Thank you so much. Let me see your situation. Please, Tarot Angels, help me to, okay, to see what's happening to my collective so I can understand them more. You know, sometimes when I got this reading like this, it also happened to me. And that's really amazed me. Okay. You hiding something, yes. I think you're in love with someone. You have a lot of passion with this person, and you're probably looking at them and in a lusty way. I just want to say that. And you wanted to compromise to the person that you really like, because you feel that this this is your freedom to be with that person. Okay, I don't really want to go there, but as I said in my Tagalog reading, you might be connected, that you might be a Filipino too, or you might understand Tagalog. There's also a situation right there that it's okay to break up with someone in a long-term situation. So that person, maybe other people will say, you're a cheater, you're something like that, you're la 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 blah blah blah. But they don't know that you're freeing that person, and you're, as long as you're breaking with someone in a good terms, okay? Don't get me wrong, because that starts with wrong, it always ends with wrong, okay? So they might be think that even you said that it doesn't work anymore, people may think you're a cheater, but they don't know that you are actually saving that person that you doesn't love anymore to find someone better, okay? Because I think when the two person only stay together for family or children, that's, I'm sorry, but I seen many older people than me, and they keep saying that I got love and this is what I wanted to do. But I can see in their faces because I can, I'm an empath, so I can sense their energy. I can tell that they're they're not emotionally fulfilled. Okay, so I admire people that even that they breaking up with someone else, being a man, being a woman that they wanted, staying single or following their heart. I think that's the most right thing to do. Okay, saving that person from burden. Yeah, all of you actually staying for a reason that not because of love is such a waste of time. That's for me. Okay, I don't know what others want to say, but that's for me. Thank you so much, Star Angels. Let me see what your guides wanted to tell you, please. Tarot Angels, give me another one card so we could know what their guides wanted to tell them. Okay. Your guide's telling you that you have to be untamed. Maybe a lot of people are in your situation as of now. You feel like you're being chained or something like you can't breathe. Okay. Yeah. And your heart might be, you feel something painful around your heart. I felt it like something like, yeah, like that. You have to become grounded with this connection, okay? Although it said that becoming grounded, living in connection, and you have to embody that, I think you have to be grounded with this connection that you wanted to have, okay? Not because is supposed to be secretive, but because a lot of people will gonna, I think will gonna throw a lot of words. Grounded means not hiding. It means you don't care about what what they will say, okay? Surrender to the mystery and fall into her arms. Oh, okay. So it said that you have to surrender, okay? What you feel, you have to surrender. You will bring a compassion to everyone once you surrender to the person that you love. You know what? It's actually just show around in this deck. It's not supposed to be here, but your guide's telling me that, yeah, you might be dealing with your divine feminine. It doesn't matter which gender is that. And you have to think about yourself. Self-care means think about what you feel, okay? Stop thinking about what others will think about you into your situation or what's happening around you. You have to think about what is your happening. What do you want? Um, what do you want to have for real? Is it love or is it a reputation? Is reputation we gonna last you or where you standing right now, or is it love, that emotional fulfillment that will give you a lot of happiness? Though there are some circumstances in every choice that we made, there will be a circumstances and sacrifices, but begin with the someone that you really love will only set you free, and you can do a lot of things with the person that you love if you are with the right person. Okay, collective? So I hope that I helped you and your guides. So I really wish you the best and hugs on you. I know you've been a lot, but don't worry. I know you can do this. You have the strength. Okay? And always smile. Bye!